Hey everybody. Now, some time ago, I mentioned a second channel called Baxter's Day Off, a channel where I do content that's not motorcycle related on my day off. We haven't had a whole lot of days off. I haven't had time to make content for this channel. But that being said, this is not a motorcycle video. This is an reintroduction to the new channel, Baxter's Day Off. I'll leave a link down here in the description. See that road right there? That's the road to the cabin I've been talking about building. And that's going to be the first project in a long series, is building that cabin. If you want to keep watching this video on this channel, go right ahead. But I'm also going to post it on the Baxter's Day Off channel. And if you don't mind, jump over there and subscribe. In the future, all videos having to do with things that aren't motorcycles that I decide to do, including handcrafting that cabin that's down this road, are going to be on that channel. So if you'd like to share a little bigger piece of my life and see me get back into just building things, not just motorcycles, on my days off, then come along for the ride with me. Let's go down the road and see what's there. finally getting started on the cabin by the creek for guests, friends, and customers at some point. You guys know I just like to build things. Could be a motorcycle, a car, and things you can live in. Something special about handcrafting something you can sleep in and share it. So my Sundays, maybe some Saturdays here and there, are going to be spent here in the woods for the next several months, however long it takes. This is rough, of course. This is not final, but every corner, this is within square, within a couple of inches. And so I went ahead and laid out 20 by 20, all right, because this front 4 feet you see here will be a front porch. So the actual structure itself will be 16 by 20, enough for a small bathroom, kitchenette, and nice little bedroom and porch overlooking this amazing space. It's quiet down here. And this bank will be cleared off, of course. This is Gin Creek. Goes on for quite a long ways, and there's this rolling waterfall that's down here. I believe you can hear it. An unbelievably peaceful place. And here is a trail. There's Lucy Lou trail that winds along the bank and goes all the way down to where the stream is fed. And I've cut that trail. And I'll end up actually winding it through the woods here and back down and through this clearing and all this. Essentially a series for mountain bike and hiking trails. So on the front side of the property, I've already started doing that, but some single track for you guys into the mountain biking thing. Single track with a lot of switchbacks, some really cool descents, and some pretty tough climbs. And the idea is nature trails and then a series of trails all through the property here for little short walks, hikes, and mountain biking. So I'll give you an idea of the view here. The other reason I wanted to lay this out and string it, it's still not perfectly level, but I wanted to string it out at least using a level on my phone to get an idea of how high my piers need to be in the front. And I think that won't be a problem at all. But this would be the view. And there's just hundreds of acres on that side as well. Quite a peaceful place. I don't know if you care to watch this stuff. It's just another little piece of my life. Thought I would share. Some of you may come over from the Baxter's Garage motorcycle channel, and I appreciate you coming over and subscribing to this. This is going to be dedicated to this and other things that I do on my day off, and we're going to film every step of the process and maybe have some conversations in between. You know, life gets pretty crazy. I know mine has, and hectic. And I've been reminded recently that sometimes you do need to take a little time for yourself to reflect, live a little, right? Get outside your work, get outside your headspace, and just build something, just do something. And with it being Mother's Day, this is the 5th Mother's Day without mine. And so to mothers that are still around, happy Mother's Day. And to those of you who lost yours, Godspeed to your mom as well as mine. And I'd like to wish you a happy Mother's Day. Thanks for coming along for this ride with me, guys. Take care of yourselves and each other. Lucy Lou, what are you doing? Hey. She about found a naked snake. Love that dog.